Hi, I'm Bodybuilding.com master coach and sports dietitian Jessica Isaacs. In this video, I'm bringing you 5 tips for eating more plant-based foods. Whether you're looking to move to a vegetarian or vegan diet, or if you're just looking to incorporate more plant-based foods into your omnivore diet, we can all benefit from eating more plants. We get vitamins, minerals, fiber, and all sorts of other important nutrients from plant-based foods. And research also shows us that diets that are rich in these plant-based foods help to improve cardiovascular health, can prevent certain types of cancers, are important for a good functioning gut, also a healthy functioning immune system, can improve brain health, can reduce your risk of developing diabetes. So many great benefits from eating plants. Let's talk about how we can incorporate more plant-based foods into our diet. Tip number 1, start small. If you're new to plant-based eating, then you've got some new skills and habits that you're probably going to need to master. You're going to be modifying the way that you grocery shop and plan and cook. And anytime that we're needing to establish a new habit or develop a new skill, this does take time. So rather than completely changing your diet all at once, start small, set some small goals that'll help you work towards your end goal, whatever that may look like for you. You could, for instance, have a meatless Monday where you had all plant-based foods and plant-based proteins for all of your meals on Monday, or pick another day of the week. Or you could just swap out one meal of that entire week to have completely plant-based. Or you could also just incorporate more plant-based foods into a particular meal and not have it be completely plant-based. For instance, you could work on incorporating more vegetables into your breakfast. Start small and then work towards your end goal over time. Tip number 2, replace meat with a plant-based protein in a meal that you already make. Rather than starting from scratch with all new plant-based recipes, you can adopt some recipes that you've already mastered and meals that you already make to be more plant-based. So you can swap out the meat for a plant-based protein. Some examples of plant-based proteins include lentils, beans, nuts and seeds, soy like edamame and tofu, tempeh, quinoa, nutritional yeast, and spirulina. Instead of a beef hamburger or beef chili, you could do a bean-based hamburger or an all-bean chili. Instead of an egg scramble, you can make it a tofu scramble and add on some nutritional yeast for a cheesy flavor and a little extra protein as well. Keep in mind there are some nutritional differences between plant-based and animal-based proteins, and so if you are making this swap, you may need more of the plant-based protein in order to meet your protein needs. Tip number 3, you can add some more plants to your current meals. So along the same lines of swapping out a protein source, we can simply just add more plants to meals that we're currently eating. We don't have to make the meal fully plant-based if our goal is just incorporating more plant-based foods. So we can add some more veggies into a spaghetti sauce, we can add them to an egg scramble, we can add some spinach to a smoothie, we can add more veggies in a soup or in a casserole, we can top a pizza with some veggies or in a stir fry or tacos. So lots of different opportunities to just increase our plant intake by adding them to meals that we're already eating. Tip number 4, pre-prep some plant-based snacks. Including more plants into your diet can be accomplished a number of ways throughout the day. It doesn't just have to be in your meals, it can be in your snacks. Make eating more plant-based foods even easier by pre-cutting up any fruits or veggies that require cutting. So we can cut up bell peppers or cucumbers or mangoes or pineapples and have those ready to go for us to make snacking easy. You can also dip some veggie slices into hummus or a cashew-based dip in order to increase more plant-based foods that way as well. And tip number 5, order a plant-based meal from a restaurant. Eating more plant-based foods doesn't always mean you have to cook at home. You can go to a restaurant and try ordering something that is vegetarian or vegan or just plant-based off their menu. Also check out ethnic restaurants. A lot of Indian foods are going to be vegetarian. You can also get a lot of vegetarian or plant-based options at an Indonesian or Chinese or Japanese or Korean restaurant. So check those out as well. Those have been your 5 tips for incorporating more plant-based foods into your diet. I hope you have some great ideas now of how to increase your plant-based food intake. I'm Coach Jessica. As always, keep it locked in to Bodybuilding.com for more ways to build your body. Take care.